Welcome to Taliup's Calendar, your complete scheduling hub. Powered by Taliup's intelligent scheduling system, your entire workflow becomes crystal clear. Explore multiple views, filter by clients or locations, and jump to any date in seconds, all updated in real time for total clarity. Whether you're running a single shop or managing several locations, everything stays organized and effortless to navigate. Creating or managing appointments is simple. Tap any open time slot to book instantly, or select an existing appointment to edit or cancel. Hours outside your operating schedule are automatically grayed out, protecting your team from accidental overbooking. Inside calendar settings, you control the full booking experience. Set up automated client reminders, enable online booking, assign staff to services, and define guardrails like minimum notice or how far in advance clients can schedule. With online booking enabled, customers can book themselves 24/7. They choose a service, select an employee, pick a time, and confirm, all through your personalized, branded booking page. Their appointment appears instantly in your Taliup calendar. Taliup also handles confirmations, add to calendar links, and optional cancellation support, reducing no-shows and keeping your schedule running smoothly. Taliup's calendar keeps your business organized, automated, and always in sync, so you can focus on delivering a great customer experience.